Hello everybody and welcome. Today's video will be upgrade number 10 on my Model Y. These are Rimetrix wheel covers, and I will do the exact same thing we did with Greg's install, except this install will be much faster. If you want to see more detail, have a look at my video we did on Greg's. So let's get to it. These are the instructions. Inside are the foam rubber to line the wheels. These are the caps for the wheels. Those go on last. We'll unpack some of these Rimetrix things. I will leave them in their protective covers. I will mount them here. We'll take them apart when we get closer. All right, there we go. 4 covers. Set the box aside. We're going to do essentially the same thing we did with the wheel covers when we installed them on Greg's. I'll see if they'll stay up there without falling on me. Let's go ahead and stick the rubber to it. Do an inspection. Looks pretty darn good. Flip it over. And let's turn up the pitch here and get to it. Okay, that's it. All 4 have their foam rubber around them. It's time to go put them on the car. Let's go. All right, this is the procedure. I'm going to show you one and then we'll zip through the other ones to get them on. It's not a difficult task. First step, of course, is you need to remove the existing Aero covers. I put 2 fingers on the rubber and pull slowly. And then the Aero cover comes off, all right? What I like to do, I learned from Greg's, is I usually just try to get some of the dust out of here. It collects over time through the back of the wheel. And while it doesn't hurt anything, it's just pet peeve, I guess. We'll wipe out some of this dust. Doesn't hurt anything. Okay, now let's install the Rimetrix. It has a place here for the valve stem. It's located down below. Essentially, I line up the valve stem, center of the wheel, and then I can push it on at the spokes. Right. Okay, now it's lined up. Next step comes with a locking cap. It's got indentations and retainers. What I'll do now is make sure the center hub is on. I'll go ahead and rotate this around till it fits in the holes. And just like that, the Rimetrix are on. I'm going to go do the other ones now, and I'll show you how fast I can actually do it. Yeah, they look pretty good, don't they? Yeah, these are the Rimetrix Wheel Covers. The jury's still out, however. I'm going to put them on. We'll see how they last. If they continue to look good and provide good aero capabilities, I'll keep them. But right now, I like them. They're black, they match the trim, and it really looks great. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. You know I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.